Hey guys, it's me, Cherry, back again with a new video. So today, I'll be doing the Get to Know Me tag questions. If you guys want to know me more, just keep on watching. Okay, so for the first question, what is your full name? Well, my full name is Cherry Alison Pagulayan Talon. What does your name mean? I think wala. Are you named after anyone? Nope. Where are you from? I'm from Ilagan, Isabela. Yes. Where were you born? Ilagan. Where did you grow up? Ilagan also. Yep. Number 7. What are your best characteristics? Kind, courageous, generous, and thoughtful. What are your favorite things about yourself? Siyempre, unang-una, naniniwala ko sa sarili ko. Kasi, even if you fail, it doesn't mean you will continue to fail. And everything that is successful will begin with you believing in yourself. I am grateful kasi, alam nyo, gratitude will always make people happy. And favorite ko din about sa sarili ko, favorite thing about myself, is I am making a difference. Don't get tired of doing little things for others. Small thing na yun, malaki na yung impact sa puso nila or sa buhay nila. Alam niyo yun? Guys, in life, we cannot always do great things. Laging sinasabi ni Mother Teresa, we can always do small things with great love. Number 9, which of your parents are you closest to? Both, kasi lagi ko naman nakakasama si mama. And si papa, kahit kasi nasa abroad siya, close pa din kami. Ganyan. Number 10, which of your parents are you more like? So, sinong kamukha ko? Siyempre si papa, kamukha naman na. Ayan o, paper dyan o. Yep. What is your biggest fear? Siyempre pag nawala yung mga mahal ko sa buhay, or pag may isang nawala na mahal ko sa buhay, ganon. At saka sa palaka. You know, I hate frogs. Yes, ayoko talaga. Kaya biggest fear ko sila. Yeah. What is your biggest regret? Well, ang biggest regret ko sa buhay, yun yung tinake for granted ko ang isang tao. Yep. What is your eye color? Well, black girl. Black, you know, black. Black pa ang kulay ng mata ko. Who's your favorite person in the world? Si B. Yes, si B. Hello, B. Kilala mo ng sarili mo. Hello, shout out sa'yo. 15. What is your favorite childhood memory? Nung meron pa si Lola, nung nakakausap ko pa siya, nakakasama pa namin siya, ganon. Tapos, nayakap. Yan, nayakap din. Ayan na. Ayan yung video, diba? Close talaga kami. Number 16. What is your favorite color? Well, kita niyo naman sa background ng aking kwarto, pink. Pink is my favorite color. Ang backup niya is blue. Backup niya. Wow, lakas maka Anong movie yun? The Kissing Booth, diba? Si L. Backups. Backups ko is white. Favorite color. Number 17, what is your favorite drink? Soft drinks, ganon. Sparkle, Royal, ganon. Kaso nga lang, no choice. Kapag wala yung dalawa, Coke ang kinukuha. At saka no choice pa rin. Kasi dito sa bahay, ang pinaka-favorite nila, or ang lagi naming binibili, kasi gusto nga nila, diba? Is Coke. Kaya, ayun. What is your favorite food? Madami. Kapag sa ulam, ganun, omelette, ampalaya, yun, kumakain ako nun. Tapos kahit ano basta may patatas, I mean yung mga ulam, na may mga patatas, kunwari kaldereta, adobo, igado, mga ganun. Lagi kong hinahanap yung patatas, hindi pwedeng walang patatas. Kaya ganun. Favorite ko ang patatas. Number 19, what is your favorite ice cream flavor? Siyempre, cookies and cream. Yes, walang makakatalo sa cookies and cream. Wala siyang backups. Cookies and cream lang. What is your favorite snack? Kapag sa snack, lagi kong kinukuha, lagi kong kinakain. Siyempre, favorite, di ba? Piatos na green. Yep. Pag piatos, green lang. What is your favorite song? Madami, pero ang bibigay ko lang is 3. Yun yung Rubbers by the 1975. And pangalawa, yung favorite namin dalawa ni B, yung 214 by River Maya. And yung pinakalas, yung latest ko na favorite, yun yung Circles by Post Malone. Okay, number 23, what is good about how you are living your life right now? Well, ngayon, yun yung hindi ko na inaalala kung ano yung sasabihin ng ibang tao. Na parang confident na ako, ganon, mataas na yung self-esteem ko, na kahit anong sabihin nila, you can't drag me down. Alam niyo yun, yung ganong vibes. So, yun na yung maganda sa kung paano ako mamuhay ngayon. Kasi noon, lagi kong inaalala ko ano sabihin ng ibang tao. Tapos, kapag ka nalalaman ko, ganon, yung confidence ko bumababa. Pero ngayon, andito na ako. So, yan. So, yung pinakahuli, one thing you know now that you wish you had known as a kid. Hindi lang siya isa eh. Madami rin. You don't have to impress anyone. At saka, you don't have to explain yourself to anyone. Isa na din yun. At saka ito talaga yung pinaka sana ganon wini-wish ko. Ito talaga yung pinaka hiniling ko na sana alam ko noon pa lang na hindi mo kailangang baguhin yung sarili mo para lang magustuhan ng iba or para lang magustuhan nila. Let people love you just the way you are. Yan, advice ko na rin yan. Madami pang iba, pero yun lang muna. 3 lang muna. So, that's it guys. Sana may natutunan kayo and ngayon, may mga alam na kayo about sa akin. So, ayun nga. Don't forget to like at saka mag-subscribe na din kayo if nag-enjoy kayo. Yan lang. Bye!